In this video, we will learn how to install and start the Apache 2 web server in Kali Linux so that you can host your own website. To do that, first update your local package repository with the command sudo apt update and press enter. Type in your password for the machine. After the local package has been updated, install Apache 2 with the command sudo apt install Apache 2 and press enter. I already have the Apache 2 installed. If you do not have the Apache 2 installed, with this command, it will install for you. Now, after the installation of the Apache 2, we have to start the service. So type in sudo systemctl space start space Apache 2 and press enter. We can check whether the service has started or not with the command sudo systemctl status Apache 2. And I can see my Apache 2 service is now active and running. Now let's check on our web browser that the service is running. Type ifconfig and press enter. Copy your IPv4 address. Go to your web browser, paste in the address and press enter. And I can see the default Apache 2 web server page. I can also access the web server with localhost only. I do not have to type in the IP address, and I can see that my web server is being hosted under var www html. So let's change our directory to var www html, and I can see I have two files here. This is the default Apache 2 web server page. Let's remove this and host our own web server. I'll create an index.html file and I'll open it with the mousepad. You can use any text editor you want. You can use Nano or Vim2. Save the file with the Ctrl+S command. With the file, now restart your Apache 2 web server with the command sudo systemctl restart Apache 2 and press enter. Go back to your browser, refresh the page, and I can see my own web server has been hosted. Finally, if you do not want to give the command sudo systemctl start Apache 2 each time you reboot the machine, you can type in the command sudo systemctl enable Apache 2 and press enter. This will enable your Apache 2 web server so that you do not have to start it every time your machine boots. Finally, if you want to stop the Apache 2 web server, type in the command sudo systemctl stop Apache 2, press enter. And now if you check, you can see that Apache 2 web server has stopped. And that is how you install and start Apache 2 web server in your Kali Linux.